Okay, so I just pulled the fire alarm, and now the fire department's arrived.
Wait for me, Mom.
They silenced the alarm right now. Oh, there it is. They're gonna have consequences with me too. Fire alarm in there.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, it's right,
hot,
right over
hot
there.
water heater.
I kind
I
of.
mean, there might be a fire alarm system in here.
No, it's right over here. There's a fire alarm pull station. Right here.
Oh.
Yeah.
And then you got a battery charge in here for probably a drill or something, right?
Yeah.
And this is just a closet. You wrote electrical. Did you write this stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's electric, but it's not really electrical in here. It's just a closet.
Yeah, I
So you're
know.
just doing like a simulation.
Mhm.
Gotcha.